Hello students, welcome in English class 11th. Today is the last part of this chapter. When narrator means on that day, 2 p.m. went there and he had also predicted if we are lucky then we will reach on that island till 5 p.m. We will start from here. Then, with a heavy heart, I went below, climbed on my bunk, and amazingly dozed off. When I woke, it was 6 p.m. Means narrator went for the rest sometimes, and when he awoke for that, means that timing was 6 p.m. and growing dark. And then आई न्यू वी मस्ट हैव मिस्ड द आइलैंड्स. नरेटर ने सोचा कि 6 p.m. हो गया है, लगता है आइलैंड मिस हो गया और पीछे छूट गया. ओके, मीन्स अगेन बीकम होपलेस. एंड देन with the sail we had left, we couldn't hope to beat back into the westerly winds. Means he totally become hopeless and he thought that they will be unable to handle the situation now. Okay, at that moment a tousled head appeared by my bunk. Can I have a hug? Jonathan asked. She was right behind him. Means narrators, both children present there, and they were seemed so excited, very happy, and want to hug their dad. अपने पापा के पास बहुत खुश होकर के वो उनके गले मिलने आए थे. हाँ, तभी क्या देखा उन्होंने, want to hug their dad. And then, why am I getting a hug now? I asked. Huh? Because you are the best daddy in the whole world. जब उन्होंने पूछा कि क्यों आप लोग आए हुए हैं, तो उन्होंने कहा क्योंकि आप जो है दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे डैडी हैं. बच्चों ने कहा जब उन्होंने गले लगे तो. एंड द बेस्ट कैप्टन माई सन रिप्लाइड. और कहा कि आप दुनिया के बेस्ट कैप्टन भी हैं. जोनाथन ने रिप्लाई किया. नॉट टुडे जॉन, आई एम अफ्रेड. मीन्स उसने कहा, नरेटर को नहीं पता था कुछ, वो डर गए एकदम. उन्होंने कहा कि आज नहीं, क्या हुआ? वाई यू मस्ट बी सैड श्यू इन ए मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट वॉइस यू फाउंड द आइलैंड. तभी शिव ने बताया कि हम आइलैंड पहुंच गए हैं. What? I shouted. Means narrator becomes shocked because he was becomes hopeless because he thought they have means left that backside and they missed the island, but they were about to reach there. Okay, Sue had told him. It's out there in front of us. They chose as big as a battleship. मीन्स वो बहुत खुश हुए और उन्होंने कहा देखिए सामने ही है आइलैंड. आई रस्ड ऑन डेक एंड गेज्ड विथ रिलीफ एट द स्टार्क आउटलाइन ऑफ आइल एम्स्टर्डम. इट वॉज ओनली ए ब्लीक पीस ऑफ वॉल्केनिक रॉक. ये बहुत छोटा सा आइलैंड था, बस केवल क्या था, एक वॉल्केनिक चट्टान जो थी अंदर से निकली थी, बस वही एक चट्टान थी, वो रॉक था और बहुत बड़ा नहीं था. विथ लिटिल वेजिटेरियन, थोड़ा बहुत वेजिटेशन भी था उस पर. द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल आइलैंड इन द वर्ल्ड. यू नो दैट प्लेस लुक्स लाइक द मोस्ट प्लीजेंट island of the world because that was only the hope of their life. Okay, so they seems as. We anchored offshore for the night, and the next morning all 28 inhabitants of the island cheered as they helped us ashore. वहाँ पे केवल 28 इन्हेबिटेंट्स ही थे, वहाँ पे जो रह रहे थे उस समय. बहुत खुश हुए, उनका स्वागत किया और बहुत चीयरफुली उन्होंने शाउटिंग की. विथ लैंड अंडर माई फीट अगेन. तब जा कर के मेरे पैरों तले ज़मीन वापस आई. और इसके पहले नरेटर होपलेस हो गए थे, मीन्स ही हैव नो होप फॉर लाइफ अगेन, बट दे गॉट द लैंड under to their feet on that day again. Okay, my thoughts were full of Larry and Herbie. cheerful and optimistic under the direst stress, and of Mary, who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. Means he want to say the thank of his friends who had came, and his wife who was suffering with him in all that critical condition. Okay. Most of all, I thought of a 7-year-old girl who did not want us to worry about a head injury, which subsequently took 6 minor operations to remove a recurring blood clot between skin and skull, and of a 6-year-old boy who was not afraid to die. Means in last paragraph, writer here want to express that his family members were very courageous. Means his wife, his daughter, son, everyone have given a large contribution, and means they have also helped him on that situation, and everyone having patience on that critical condition. मीन्स वो गर्ल जिसके सिर में चोट लगा था, बिना परवाह किए वो अपना जो है अपने फादर को बहुत ज़्यादा जो है उनको हेल्प कर रही थी और कोऑपरेट कर रही थी, और वो जो लड़का था उसको बिल्कुल मौत से भी डर नहीं लग रहा था। जोनाथन ने कहा कि डैड, द टाइटल ऑफ दिस चैप्टर बिकम इट इज़ बिकॉज ड्यू टू करेज, कॉन्फिडेंस एंड पेशेंस ऑफ नरेटर्स सन, he had said that if we have no afraid to die if we all be together. ओके अगर हम पूरी फैमिली एक साथ हैं तो मरने से हमें कोई डर नहीं है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आएगी हम उसको झेल लेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे the sum up of this chapter, summary of conclusion of this chapter is that we should never give up the hope, and we should always fight with the difficulties of life. Then one day we will must be succeed, like the narrator and their family. And our family members should be cooperate their parents, and parents should be cooperate their children's. Okay, and should be lovingly atmosphere anytime. You know, that time Sue and Jonathan were making painting for entertaining their parents when they were in danger. Okay, it is also quality of the children's. Means after seeing them we also be forget our difficulties at home. Okay, so students, you know, the brave man is not that, according to Nelson Mandela, the brave man is not that they have no fear, but the brave man who were means who were conquered the fear. मीन्स महान वह नहीं होता जो डरता नहीं है, सभी लोग डरते हैं, लेकिन जो डर को जीत लेता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा ब्रेव, करेजियस और महान होते हैं, जो उस संघर्ष को झेलते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं और जिनको सफलता मिलती है. ओके, दैट्स इट स्टूडेंट्स, it is your chapter being finished. You have to complete your exercise and summary of the chapter. Thank you class. Thank you everyone.